welcome to My Home Hub. Today I'll teach you how to make a cheap and easy DIY streak-free cleaner which you can use on mirrors, windows and stainless steel items at home. What you'll need to make a 500ml batch: 250ml of isopropyl alcohol 70 to 80%, which helps the cleaner dry quickly, cuts through grease and reduces fogging because it evaporates faster than water. It's also less irritating to the skin. 100ml of white vinegar, which helps to dissolve hard water spots, soap scum and light mineral buildup so surfaces look cleaner. 145ml of demineralized water, which helps to prevent streaks by avoiding mineral residue on the glass. 5ml of baby shampoo, which acts as a gentle cleaner that lifts oils and dirt without leaving a heavy soapy film. A 500ml spray bottle. Measuring jug and funnel. A 20ml syringe or small measuring cup, and some high quality microfibre cloths for glass and stainless steel. Now to mix the cleaner, measure out 250ml of isopropyl alcohol into your measuring jug. Add 100ml of white vinegar to the same jug and let it combine with the alcohol. Then add 5ml of baby shampoo. Top up with 145ml of demineralized water to bring the total volume to 500ml. Give a gentle stir and then place the funnel into your spray bottle and carefully pour the solution in. Now screw on the trigger from the spray bottle and give it another gentle swirl. Mark the bottle using some tape and a pen. The solution, when stored in a cool, dark cupboard away from direct sunlight, can last for up to 6 months. Now to use, just spray a light mist onto the surface rather than soaking it, and wipe down using your glass/stainless steel microfiber cloth. The alcohol helps the solution dry quickly and has anti-fogging properties, while the vinegar cuts residue and the baby shampoo lifts fingerprints and grease without leaving a heavy film. And that's it, a simple, affordable 500ml streak-free cleaner you can make many times at home using everyday ingredients while saving you a lot of money on expensive and toxic cleaners in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking, sharing, subscribing and hitting that notification bell for more DIY content, tutorials and reviews. And until next time, thanks for visiting My Home Hub and happy cleaning.